Welcome to Make the Future, increasing the participation of females in advanced manufacturing pathways. The National Alliance for Partnerships in Equity Education Foundation has been tasked with engaging educators and recruiters in a network where they can learn and share best practices to increase participation in advanced manufacturing pathways. The tools and strategies can be used with students and parents at the K-12 and community college level to increase the participation and retention of females and students of color in STEM and career and technical education, or CTE, leading to careers in advanced manufacturing. Advanced manufacturing faces a serious skills gap that could be solved by the inclusion of women and people of color, but a demographic shift in the manufacturing workforce will require a significant outreach effort with students and parents. This project will increase the capacity of educators at feeder high schools and community colleges in targeted North American communities with advanced manufacturing technician, or AMT, programs to implement research-based effective outreach strategies. The collateral, tools, and strategies developed as a result of this project will also be made available nationally and leveraged through the Foundation's current professional development activities being implemented across the nation. We are excited your organization has partnered with us on this important project and look forward to the work ahead. Recruiters and educators from 7 states will be engaged in this project, and we are ready to provide opportunities for you to learn and network with each other. Our partners were selected strategically so that the participating high schools are most often also feeder schools for the AMT programs in the project. We hope to enrich existing relationships and establish new ways to engage and recruit female students to educational programs aimed to build tomorrow's advanced manufacturing workforce. Over the next decade, the U.S. will need nearly 3.5 million manufacturing jobs, but 2 million of those might go unfilled due to the lack of people with the skills to do the jobs. We are missing a great opportunity to fill that skills gap if we fail to recruit and retain women and underrepresented populations to educational pathways that will prepare them for careers in advanced manufacturing. Our equity gaps will impact the industry's ability to keep American manufacturing strong. In fact, women make up one of U.S. manufacturing largest pool of untapped talent. 47% of U.S. workforce is women, but only 29% work in manufacturing. Advanced manufacturing is no longer dark, dangerous, or dirty. Today's manufacturing is more about brains than brawn. In order to attract females, we need to overcome stereotypes about manufacturing and revise our messaging to align to a different set of values. Many recruiting messages focus on extrinsic work values such as pay and ignore other work values that may resonate more loudly with females. As part of this project, you will have access to tools and strategies that will help you shift the focus to other work values, such as social work values, intrinsic work values, and prestige work values. We have several goals for this project. Through our suite of tools, which you will have access through our learning management system, we will connect you to valuable collateral, tools, and strategies you can use to conduct outreach and recruitment efforts with diverse females. By sharing best practices, we will increase your awareness of opportunities and careers in advanced manufacturing. We expect our suite of tools will lead to increased participation of females and female students of color in high school STEM courses, including Project Lead the Way's pre-engineering curriculum, where Project Lead the Way exists. We also expect it to lead to increased participation of diverse females in advanced manufacturing supportive community college programs, such as the AMT Career Pathway Program. To achieve these goals, our suite of tools will help teachers and counselors address stereotypes and perceptions about advanced manufacturing and the AMT program, including who is a good or ideal candidate for advanced manufacturing career pathways. the benefits of advanced manufacturing, and the nature of the AMT program. It will also provide sharing best practices for recruiting and engaging females. At the end of our work together, you will have an opportunity to customize recruitment tools with a focus on equity. We have created a suite of tools you can access on our learning management system. Our suite has 8 modules. The first module will introduce you to the NAEP course and help you frame their content through the lens of advanced manufacturing. The 5th module contains our 9 best practices for recruiting females. Each month we will add items you can customize and download for use with your students. Module 6 is a discussion space where our participants can share information, resources, and materials. In addition to the tools, our participants will have the opportunity to work face-to-face at the annual Federation of Advanced Manufacturing Educators, or FAME, conference, and at the National Alliance for Partnerships in Equity's National Summit for Educational Equity. You will also have access to our YouTube channel where we will curate videos you can use with your students and their families. NAEP has scoured the research on attracting females to non-traditional careers and distilled that information into 9 key strategies. You can access information about each of these strategies, samples, and suggestions of what to do and what not to do, and resources you can use with students and their families. To get started, you will take a practice and perception survey. In a week or so, you will receive an email with a link to this survey and further instructions. Once you complete the survey, you will receive an email with instructions on how to log into our suite of tools and use the learning management system. One of our project goals is to strengthen the connections among our participants, so you will be asked to create a profile to help others learn about your work. You will then have access to the entire suite. You can take the NAEP courses, download the best practices materials, and start conversations or share resources. The more you engage with the project, the more you can earn badges and recognition. Badges can also be showcased on your other social media accounts, such as LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. And we will alert your organization when you earn a badge, so your participation can be recognized and celebrated. Earn the Explorer badge by completing a short perception survey, subscribing to our YouTube channel where you will find videos to share with students and their parents, and building your profile on our learning management system where you will access all project materials and engage in discussions. Earn the Novice badge by completing an introductory course about equity in advanced manufacturing and exploring the resources on research-based practices. Earn the Scholar badge by completing NAEP's courses on micromessaging, exploring non-traditional careers, and the STEM equity pipeline. Earn the Connector badge when you connect with community organizations and invite them to participate in the discussions and explore the materials on the learning management system. Earn additional badges and recognition by posting to the discussion forum. Discussion points are worth 2 points each, and as your points accumulate, you will move from the Apprentice badge to the Journey Person badge to the Master badge. You may also be able to use the work on this project to earn continuing education credits. More information on local and state requirements will be forthcoming. In addition to recognition from your organization, this project will make you better at your job and increase your professional network. We will increase your knowledge about STEM equity and how to attract more females to the educational programs that lead to advanced manufacturing careers. Our courses and resources position you to become more efficient and effective with your recruiting practices. Through an expanded network of professionals engaged in similar work, you will be part of the broader conversation on STEM equity and have access to samples and best practices. Most importantly, your engagement in this project will lead to increased participation of females, which is good for them, good for your organization, and good for the future of American advanced manufacturing. We are excited to get you connected to other project participants and the suite of tools. In the next week or so, you will receive an email with information about how to access the perception survey. The survey will only take about 15 minutes to complete. As soon as you complete it, you will receive your login credentials and have access to the information and tools for use with your fall recruiting efforts. We also hope to get the conversation started as soon as possible so you can benefit from the collective experience of our project partners. You will receive monthly emails from us with alerts about new tools we have added to the best practices modules. You can personalize the collateral, so by the end of this project, you will have a customized recruiting toolkit you can use in years to come. Again, thank you for engaging in this work with us. We look forward to learning together and providing you with the tools and knowledge you need to increase the equity of your manufacturing programs.